Depending on the company that offers you your email or that provides you the access to email, you may have two kinds of incoming mail servers. A POP or a POP3 mail server. POP stands for Post Office Protocol. And the other one is called IMAP, which stands for Internet Message Access Protocol. So depending on this company that gives you access to email, you may have one of these two kinds of servers. And to tell you the truth, in most cases, you actually have the choice of using either of them. So they would actually have both available to you. Now, having said that, some organizations may only offer one. And depending on the one that it's offered, those are the settings that you need to set up on mail when you go through the process of creating an account. Now, let me explain how the POP server works, or the Post Office Protocol server works. Let's say that somebody writes an email to you. Here we go. That person uses their SMTP server, then the message gets sent over to the internet, arrives to your ISP, and arrives to your incoming mail server. And again, let's assume that it arrives to POP. If you set up mail to check your POP incoming mail server, this is what happens. Every time that mail goes and checks for new incoming messages, and there are any new incoming messages, in most cases, what POP does is it takes the whole message and gets transferred over to you. And at that point, the message gets deleted from the server. So you are the only one that has a copy of that message. And that message, or that copy rather, it's the full thing. By what I mean the full thing, I mean it contains the headers as well as the message itself. Headers are things like the date that it was sent, who sent it, who it was addressed to, the subject of the message, the IP address of the sender, the IP address of the server that received the message, and a bunch of other pieces of data regarding the transmission of the message, without including the message. The message itself, the contents of the message, your attachments, or whatever you write the message about, it's actually within the message. So in the case of POP, everything gets copied over to your computer. The problem with that is that if you want to check your email and you're not on your computer, you may find yourself checking an email that it's already gone, meaning it's already deleted from the server because it was downloaded by the client. In that situation, that's where IMAP may become more interesting to you.